Let's just move ahead to the next question, which is question number 6. Okay, again, let me just scroll this thing little bit. See, yes. Now see, this question number 6 belongs to again the advanced math module. Okay, from the advanced math, it belongs to the non-linear functions. Okay, now let's just check the difficulty level. So that belongs to a medium one. So of course, that's just a mediocre difficulty one. Okay, it's not at all easy, and of course, it's not at all hard. Okay, now see, question number 6 is saying for the function f, if f of 0 is equals to 100. Okay, that is already given to you. And for each increase in x by 1, the value of f of x is increased by 100%. Okay, so this is the key point which is given to you that you need to remember in order to find your exact answer. Okay, because see, the question is asking what is the value of f of 2 then in such scenario. Okay, so see, that is given that f of 0 is 100. Okay, now see, we are looking for what f of 2. So there are two ways to solve this question. One is you can just form the general statement of the function and then you can solve for any value of x. One way of doing is this. Okay, another way is because in this question it is asking for only f of 2, not for f of 20 or not for f of 200, not for any larger value. Okay, so no need to waste your time in order to form the general form of the function because it is asking just for f of 2. So just increase the value of x by 1 twice. Okay, because see, it was 0 here. So first of all, you should find f of 1 and then f of 2. Okay, so no need to waste your time in correcting the logic, in forming the logic. Just use this statement and find out the value of f of 2. Okay, how to do that? So see, if I just increase the value of x by 1, so I'll be having f of 1. Okay, and if I do so, so the question is saying the value of fx will increase by 100%. That means what? Earlier if it was 100, so it will have an addition of 100 as well. That means I can say the value of f of 1 would be 200. Okay, now we were looking for what? We were looking for f of 2. Okay, so repeat the same process again. So if I again increase the value of x by 1, so I'll be having f of 2. Okay, now whatever the previous value was there, it will be increased by 100%. That means if f of 1 was 200, so there will be addition of another 200, and of course my value comes out as 400 only. So this is the final answer for my f of 2. Okay, so as I said, because it is asking for a very lesser value of x, so no need to form your complete function of x. Just mark option D as the correct one because this is the exact value of f of 2. Okay, so I hope this simple, this easy, this medium question number 6 is clear to you. Okay,